hair is an actual disaster today, but it is so rainy and I really just don't want to go to class today, but I'm gonna go to my first 2 classes. I'm not gonna go to tutoring today. I honestly haven't been in like 3 weeks, but something just kind of keeps coming up and I don't go. I need to get the car and oil change today, and it's also my dad's birthday. So yeah, I have a busy day today, and I think this evening we might do something, maybe go shopping or go eat, something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me today. Really don't want to walk to class in this. It is raining and I'm gonna get soaked. So later now. I have a long night of studying ahead of me, but I got a box in today from Grove Collaborative, and I wanted to show you guys everything that I got because I got some new stuff to try that I've never tried before, and I wanted to show you guys. The first thing that I got is this Yes to Grapefruit Rejuvenating Body Wash, and it's actually a pretty big bottle of it. I'm so excited to try this. It says for all skin types, grapefruit helps reveal soft skin, yes to a natural glow. It's grapefruit scent. Let me see if I can figure out how to open it so I can smell of it. Let's see. Yeah, it smells really good. It smells like grapefruit. Yeah, so love that. So excited to try that. And then I got some apple cider dish soap. I actually already had some of this, but I wanted to get some more. I haven't used it yet, but I know that I'm going to be using a lot of it this fall. Which fall's already started, but it's limited edition, so I went ahead and got another one of these. And I also got the multi-surface cleaner because I didn't have the cleaner in this set, and I wanted to definitely grab me one of these, so I got one of these. Let's see what else I got. Okay, so I got 2 more things. So the next thing is just this Acure Mega Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. Actually pretty excited to try this stuff too. So it just looks like this. It will focus, there we go. So yeah, it's just the leave-in conditioner, and I'm super excited to try this stuff. It looks like it's just the spray in. Love that. And then the last thing that I got is the Yes to Grapefruit Correct and Repair Even Skin Tone Moisturizer. So it says it helps reduce the appearance of dark spots, and I actually got this because I have a really like red face, and hopefully it will help to correct that because it corrects and repairs, it says. And so yeah, it's just a squirt moisturizer. It just looks like this. It's like the same scent as the body wash that I got. So yeah, so excited to try that, and I've heard that grapefruit is really good for your face too. So yeah, super excited for that. So we actually just got back from Marshall's, so I wanted to show you guys everything that I got from there. So the first thing that I got is just this little pouch. It says Mom Goals on there. I thought this was so cute, and it was on clearance for $3. So I picked this up to just put like my maybe pencils in and stuff in my purse. And then I just got this rose gold like little tumbler that has like the glitter in it. This was $4.99, and I wanted to get one of these for like my iced coffee, and I just loved this color, so I went ahead and picked that up. And then the next thing that I got is just this candle. It is the DW Homes Vanilla Bean, which is my absolute favorite scent of all time. If you guys haven't tried this and your Marshalls or TJ Maxx has the vanilla bean scent, it's the absolute best. I love it so much, and I can't hardly find it, so I definitely had to grab it while I found it. And then the next thing that I got is just this little pencil holder, and it is the Ray Dunn, and it says No Limit on it, and this was $4.99. Thought it was so cute, especially when I get my office. I'm gonna put like my pencils and pens in it. I thought it was so cute. And then the last thing that I got is just this Under Armour little pullover hoodie. Thought it was super cute, and this was $24.99 for this, and that is such a good deal for this. I loved it.